Hi, this is Roseanne Ritter with RR Designs, and I just wanted to show you the highlights of what I've been doing the last couple months. So I hope you enjoy it. This is a restoration of a Sunbonnet Sue. The upper two blocks are what my friend gave me, and I created a new quilt for her, a new baby quilt for her. She loved it. On these two projects, a friend of mine wanted me to add decorative ribbon to the top and the skirt, and then in the bottom she wanted this silvery shiny ribbon to go around her jumper. She loved that too. My guild wanted to make ribbons for our Kumquat Quilt Challenge, and we made these 3.5-inch blocks. I think it's called a Lemoyne star. And they looked really good next to the ribbon, so we were really happy the way they turned out. My friend Carol is traveling to Africa this summer, and I told her about pillowcase dresses, and she was like, "What are those?" So I made her 4 of them so that she could take with her. A friend wanted memory pillows made from her husband's shirts. So I was really happy to do them for her. And I had so much leftover material from these shirts. I love the shirts. I made her a quilt. She doesn't know about it yet. I love to make a difference when people need something that they can't do themselves. And so I've been doing alterations for bridesmaids' dresses and hemming men's pants and coat sleeves and shirts. And then one day my daughter saw this dog scarf and she wanted to know if she could have some for her and her friends. And I was like, yeah, I'll do that for you. So they were so cute. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you'd enjoyed it. I'm going to have a few more coming out soon. If you liked it, like, subscribe, set the notification bell, share it with others. But if you also liked how the video was put together, I did it all on Canva. No Google, no Zoom. Had fun doing it. So this was brought to you by RR Designs. If you can imagine it, I can create it.